know you want to save this incompetent twit who performs pathetic magic tricks for you on your birthday. Now hand it over!
He's right.
No, Joe. The fate of the universe is at stake.
I'm sorry, Uncle Joe. I just can't do it. Here, take it.
Excellent choice. Although you really shouldn't throw the book. I'm surprised my brother didn't teach you that.
Touch that book and your history. How do I turn this thing on?
Press the green button. The other green button. You play dirty. I like that. Pity your reflexes aren't faster.
I think we've lost them.
Think again. Look!
We're trapped.
It's still houses, men. We made it!
Drop it.
Ah, get off me, you little monster! You think you can win against me? When I get through with you, there'll be pieces of you in every era since the dawn of time! Mommy?
Castle Dunbar rule number 1. No sword play in the Great Hall! Who is this rat-faced bully anyway?
My uncle. He's mad.
I'll say. Threatening a pair of wee ones with a... What is that thing? And what's that in your hand?
Oh, this? It's a,
Just a pen, Lady Agnes. The pen that wrote this fairy book.
Don't take this the wrong way, but I think you're all a few shillings short of a pound.
Dalhousie's men are here!
I hope Jody's okay.
Quickly, to the parapet!
We'll be there shortly. I just have to make sure my brother...
Where is he?
Blast it! I should have taken that pocket watch from him. Well, we'll just have to wait till next time.
What next time? He almost hacked me to pieces.
But you stood up to him, and if you use your head, you'll do just fine when things get really bad.
Could you define really bad?
Come, we mustn't keep the ladies waiting.
Come back anytime, Salisbury! Hope you enjoyed our hospitality!
It was terrible. We came this close to getting caught. I got nauseous from all the riding, and look! I chipped a nail.
She didn't close her mouth the entire time.
Are we there yet? My bottom hurts. Can we stop for a snack?
I swear I thought I'd perish.
Oh, they're a strange lot, but we owe them our lives. Jody of New York, for your help in driving the English away from Castle Dunbar, I award you 50 of the fattest sheep in the Scottish Midlands.
Thanks, but my building doesn't allow pets.
Oh, would you prefer something else?
We'd be very grateful if you allowed us to keep this fairy book.
Where'd you find it? It was within the castle walls, just like the legend said.
Fairy book? A lot of tripe, if you ask me. But if that's what you want, be my guest.
Joe, would you care to do the honors?
Right where we left. Hey, you're getting better at... Wait a minute. Where's Uncle Joe? You lost him!
But I did everything right. My hands are clean, I opened the book, and... Hey, what's this? Dear Joe, sorry to leave in mid-warp. I had some urgent business to attend to. Uncle Joe.
There's something else in here.
P.S. Congratulations on graduating to the next level. You are now a time page? I'm a time page? I'm a time page! Check it out! I don't see you wearing one of these.
That's because I haven't been a time page since I was 5.
Oh, so what are you now?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Okay, time page. How about some help with my math homework?